Meaning of ethene.
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 Ethene. Ethene, also known as ethylene, is a colorless gas with a sweet odor. It is a hydrocarbon with the chemical formula C2H4 and is commonly used in the production of plastics and synthetic materials. Ethene is highly flammable and can be dangerous if not handled properly. When ethene is burned, it produces carbon dioxide and water, releasing energy in the form of heat. It is an important industrial chemical and is widely used in the manufacturing of various products such as pipes, films, and packaging materials.